Magandang umaga, mainit na umaga.
After a year of operation, we decided to apply for ISO 17025 accreditation for the 3 laboratories of Admatel. The internal audit team was created and they conducted an audit of Admatel in April of last year. After which, a management review was conducted after a week, and we finally submitted our application to PAB on April 24, 2014. February 9, 2015, Admatel was granted the PNS ISO IEC 17025 2005 accreditation number LA 2015-272A for the chemical and metallurgical laboratory of Admatel for the scope of mechanical testing, and LA 2015-271A for the thermal laboratory for the scope of chemical testing.
The Philippine Accreditation Bureau, Department of Trade and Industry, grants accreditation to the Thermal Analysis Laboratory of the Advanced Device and Materials Testing Laboratory, Admatel, Industrial Technology Development Institute, DOST Compound, General Santos Avenue, Bicutan, Taguig City. This accreditation demonstrates technical competence for the specified scope in Appendix number ATEL-1-0215-271A and the operation of a laboratory quality management system that meets the principles of ISO 9001-2008. Standard method or reference standard ASTM E1131 for specific tests of glass precision endothermic peak temperature, exothermic peak temperature by differential scanning calorimetry DSC technique, with the standard method reference standard of ASTM E1356, specific test or measurement, compositional analysis, diagonal analysis SEA technique, with the standard method reference standard ASTM E1131 and ASTM E6370, plastics, rubber, paints, and related surface coatings, resins, inks, dyes, and pigments, adhesive sealants. The list of PID approved signatories is valid until February 8, 2020.
The Philippine Accreditation Bureau, Department of Trade and Industry, grants accreditation to Chemical and Metallurgical Laboratory, Advanced Device and Materials Testing Laboratory, or Admatel, Industrial Technology Development Institute, having been assessed and found conforming to the requirements of PNS ISO IEC 17025-2005.
The marker reads PNS ISO IEC.
When DOST inaugurated Admatel in 2012, I'm very honored to be involved with the evolution of this failure analysis and materials testing facility. From a utilization of about 20% with some 44 customers, we're now up to about a utilization of about 60% with 120 customers spanning 14 industries. So I think this is a major accomplishment. Give yourselves a big hand. As it continuously demonstrates, Admatel, competence to perform the tests and calibrations and provide only the best quality services, the country is now compliant with international standards. We are thus more prepared to take part and play in the international market, as this is even more significant with ASEAN integration coming this year. The road to the certification may have been tough, and I'm sure it was very tough, with all the assessments, audits, and documentations required. And this success, mind you, comes with greater challenges and opportunities. May you face these challenges and opportunities with the same passion and energy that brought you here today. Congratulations, maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless you.
Since 2010, under the Aquino administration, DOST
have been deliberately developing a more robust and more vibrant S&T ecosystem that is conducive for innovation, product development, new services, addressing our problems. This ecosystem, the component ecosystem composed of advanced facilities like Admatel and others that have been set up servicing different areas, involve having the right policies, including access to data, intellectual property policies. It includes capacity building. All of these are very deliberate and effort para magkaroon talaga tayo ng vibrant ecosystem, science and technology ecosystem para makatulong in developing our country. And Admatel is a testimony to what we are doing. Congratulations to Admatel. More power to IDBI. Mabuhay po tayo lahat.
For Admatel's continued success and continued certification,